Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Ngozi. My name is Ngozi, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State, precisely, and you are welcome back. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for your support, and if you're a newcomer here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun. At the end of the video, if you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Okay, our topic for today is the 5 sense organs in Igbo language. Uchengwa. That is the sense organs in Igbo language. Today we are going to look at the 5 of them. Okay, good. In case the first on our list is the eyes. The eyes. In Igbo we call the eye anya. 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 We all know the eyes are for sight. Eji anya awuzu. Eji anya awuzu. Eji anya awuzu. The eyes are for sight. The second on our list is the ear. The ear. In Igbo we call that nte. Nte for the ear. Okay? Nte. We hear with our ears. Eji nte anriwe. Eji nte anriwe. Eji nte anriwe. Eji nte anriwe. The next on our list is the nose. We call that imi. Imi. Eji imi anuishi. Eji imi anuishi. Or eji imi amaishi. Eji imi amaishi. Or eji imi anuishi. Okay? The skin. We call that anuaru. Anuaru. We feel with the skin. Okay? Anuaru, that's what we call skin in English, but in Igbo we call that anuaru. The last but not the least for today is the tongue. The tongue is called ile. Ile. The ile is for taste. That is the tongue. The tongue is for taste. Ile. Eji ile anuto. Eji ile anuto. The tongue is for taste. Ejile anoto. Okay, don't forget that our topic for today do with the 5 sense organs in Igbo language. Let's repeat ourselves. Number 1 on our list is the skin. The skin. The skin. Anuaru for the skin. Anuaru for the skin. We use the anuaru for feeling. We feel with our skin. Okay. The second on our list is the nose. The nose. In Igbo we call that imi. Imi. Eji imi anuishi. Eji imi anuishi. Or eji imi amaishi. The next on our list is the tongue. The tongue. In Igbo we call that ile. Ile. Eji ile anoto. Eji ile anoto. We use the tongue for taste. Then the next is the eyes. The eyes. In Igbo we call that anya. Anya. Eji anya awuzu. Eji anya awuzu. The eyes are for sight. The eyes are for sight. And the last for today is the ear. The ear. We call that nte. Nte. Eji nte anuiwe. Eji nte anuiwe. The ears are for hearing. Okay? Nte. That brings us to the end of today. Don't forget to hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, and hit the subscribe button so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Odomanya na nkuzi nke taa nwelulu obalege. Ngwa nke odi n'oge ọzọ. Afam ka bụ ka Ngozi ka. Bye.